Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's salon. Today we are going to show you how to make half kg chocolate ice cream cake for delivery. First, take a loose mold. A loose mold means this, like how my mother is opening it easily and closing it easily. That like mold you guys need to take for it. Then grease the mold with oil and butter paper on top of the oil. And make sure to always grease the butter paper. Then take a mixing bowl with strainer. Then add half cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder plus 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda plus a pinch of salt, and then sieve them all well. After mixing it well and it should look something like that, then you should keep it aside. Then take another mixing bowl, add 2 large egg which has a room temperature. Then add half cup of sugar, then 2 tablespoons of oil plus 1 tablespoon of vanilla ash. Beat them until the sugar dissolves and it has a foamy consistency. Beat it for 3 to 4 minutes with low speed. After beating for a while, it should have a consistency like that. After beating well, add the dry ingredients and 3 tablespoons of milk. The milk should not be hot or cold. It should have a room temperature for this recipe. Mix them gently with folding methods and make a batter with no lumps. Our batter is ready and it should look something like that. Now pour the batter into the greased mold. And then tap it 2 to 3 times. Bake it for preheated OTG at 180 degrees Celsius in 30 to 35 minutes. And then take a frying pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar plus half cup of milk. And then mix them all well. You guys should mix it until it has no lumps like that. And then turn on the stove and continue stirring until it has a sticky consistency with low flame. Cook stirring for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. At last 30-40 seconds, my mother made the low flame into medium flame. You can see the consistency, it should look something like that. Now it's ready. Now turn off the flame and wait for it to cool down completely. After 35 minutes, check our cake, which you have to insert a toothpick inside the cake, and if the pick comes clean, it means it is baked well. You should demold the cake while it is hot. My mother had low time, so she took it out of the OTG and directly demolded. That's why it is very hot. And then cut it into pieces and wait for it to cool down completely. You can see that the steam are coming out of the cake. Now add half cup of whipped cream. Beat it until it has a soft peak for 2 minutes on high speed. Now add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar or ground sugar. After beating, the soft peak is now ready. Now add the cocoa mixture. We have made this mixture earlier, so that's why we are adding it now. Again beat it for 1 minute. Now our ice cream is ready. Now keep them aside. Now take some cake crumbs separate for cake garnish. And then loose the mold. And add batter paper on the sides. The first layer is cake, the second layer is ice cream, and the third layer is cake again. And the fourth layer is just garnishing. And then add a cake layer. You should set it properly or the ice cream will go inside of the cake. And then set it properly. Now add our ice cream. And then level it up. And then add another cake slice on top. And then add your homemade chocolate syrup on top. Now grate it with chocolate and cake crumbs on top for garnishing. Now let's add some choco sprinkle. Now it's ready. Now refrigerate it for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. After overnight, demold the cake and wrapping with foil paper, then it is ready for delivery. You can eat this cake after 1 or 2 months in the deep freezer. It will not become healthy or it will not even become stale food. You can see how beautiful it is looking when we kept the butter paper on the side. If you didn't keep the butter paper on the side, it will be worse and it will not be good. You guys can see how my mother is delivering the cake with prepping paper. If we don't do it with prepping paper, the cake will be destroyed when it reaches the delivery house. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.